Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is well. Right, today I'm going to be doing the Maxxair fan. I'm going to prepare myself for that. I've already made a template for where to fix underneath. So what I'll be doing is I'll be drilling and cutting a hole to suit, which the model that I've got is a 400 by 400 hole. So I'm just going to get myself prepared up on the roof with masking tape, pencil, measuring stick, add level, and just trying to square it all up really. Oh yeah, up on the roof, nice sunny day today. Get this done. I think tomorrow's going to be raining, so. Right, so I just found the centre mark and I was going 200mm away from it, all directions. Then I've just got to square it up. I've masked it up, so now I can draw the line on there, measure it all up, then prepare myself for cutting a hole. Right, so I've marked that out. So 400 to 400 and 400 to 400. It's all equal corners. So now I'm going to start drilling a hole. Right, so I've pre-drilled some holes in each corner. So now I can go through with the jigsaw and cut all along the lines. Right, the only blade I had to cut metal I broke, so I'm going to attempt to use the electric scissor shears. Right, so I managed to cut that out with the electric scissors. To be honest with you, I think it is a lot easier than doing it with a jigsaw. So it does glide through, but it's just got to go through or go over where the ridges are. At that point there, it sort of like sinks down a bit, and it's a bit messing about, but got there in the end. Right, filed that down. Now I'm going to prime it with some hammerite. Then I'm going to build it up with the old Mastic tape. Right, I've hammerited the edge, so I've just got to wait for that to dry. Then I'm going to build it up with the old Mastic tape. What I've done, I've put the flange in, and I've drawn a line around. And that's the point where I need to stick the masking tape, not the masking tape, sorry, the Mastic tape up to. So once I've the paint's dried, I can stick that on. Here's my makeshift brush. Yeah, that's all I could find. Comes in handy though. Right, I'll wait for that to dry and I'll start doing the Mastic. That's the Mastic tape put on. It's all built up, so it's all relatively level or flush. So I'm just going to go and get some the white sikaflex now, just to put around the flange, then mount it in the hole. I got it in. I got so engrossed I forgot about filming it. Right, so where you saw it, I had the Mastic tape on there. Then I run a bead of the sikaflex all the way around. Clamped it down. Let me show you. Clamped it down from the inside, so I made a wooden frame. So that's actually screwed into that. So it just pinches it all together nicely. With the, I've just opened it up manually and I'll show you. With the screws above, they are quite hard to put in to actually fix it. Actually, Air Max to the roof of the van, but you've got to push down. Let me show you which screws. So that screw there and that screw there. You've got two on the other side. You've got to push down sort of like firmly so you can line the holes up in there to screw it down. But there we go. That's all fitted, secure, sikaflexed up to high heaven. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll probably run out of time now. I want to power it up just to make sure it works okay. I'll show you in a minute with it working. Good morning, everybody. Right, didn't have time yesterday to power up the Maxxair fan. So today I'm just running cables to it through the chassis of the van. And we'll get it powered up that way. So what I've done so far, some more flexible conduit next to the one that feeds the dome air fan, and I've come along to there so I can stick it up and connect it there. So once I've done all that, hopefully it'll be up and running, and when it gets to that point I'll show you guys. See you in a bit. I'm just connecting up terminals for the Maxxair fan. I've just crimped them, so I'm just going to now terminate them in the appropriate positive and negative, and I'll put in an appropriate size fuse, which will be, I'm going to put in a 3 amp or a 5 amp, depends if I've got either of them. So they're wired in. Now I'm just going to switch on the solar panels, then show you guys it operating. So I've just got this temporarily like that, the cable, because you've got the outer flange that sits on the, so once I've done the ceiling panels, I can, I've got to trim this down. We'll put a slot in there for it to fit, if you see what I mean. Go like that, it goes within there. So I need to cut a slot down so that'll feed itself up, if you see what I mean. Right, around. It's see it working. So that's it manually. You got an auto. It's a test. I don't know what happens now. Oh. Don't know. Still a learning curve. Switch it off. Switch it on. So good things with these air fans is you can bring in air and you can take out air, which is good. So if I can bring in air with this one, then with the Maxxair dome that only extracts, so it'll be a full circulation. Right, just going to go and get the remote. Right, so I just put the batteries in the remote. It comes with 2 AAA. Right, if I switch it off, and on, increase the fan. So it's got 10 speeds on it. You can probably hear it. Oh, don't know what happened there. Right, I think I know what I did. Back in a sec. I found out the problem was it was just the fuse wasn't big enough. I didn't have my glasses on at the time. That's my excuse anyway. Right. On. Right, so that's currently at 70%. Turn it around. Increase to 80, 90, 100 speeds. So there's 10 speeds on it. It's good as well because it tells you the temperature in the room as well. go down. It's not going down. It's not going down. Ah, there we go. Right, so that's the fan speed, and that's the settings. Right, okay, now I've got it. So then if you press that one, it takes air out. So it just automatically changes over. Nice. So there we have it, one installed Maxxair fan. Right, so that's good. So I've got two of the fans working now. So it's good ventilation. Well happy. Right guys, so that concludes the video of the Maxxair fan. Yeah, it went all right. I'm happy with it. It works. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye for now.